Hello and welcome to Listen2My Radio website. With Listen2My Radio, you can effortlessly stream your show and reach worldwide audience. So how to get started? First, you need to sign up to our website by clicking this sign up button. Then fill in all your information, full name, email, password, agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, then hit create my account. This message will appear once you're done. Now log into your mail account you are registered with and click on the activation URL that appears in the email. Note that this activation URL is valid for 4 hours only. The second step is to set up your radio channel. First, fill in the channel name or title, description, server location, server type, and the subdomain which will serve as URL for your listeners. Having filled all the details in, please click on the Save Server Configuration button. The main dashboard screen will appear. The dashboard screen is divided into 4 parts. The first part at the top right corner contains My Account button. In My Account page, you can change account password, close account, disable promotion emails, and update Facebook user ID to be able to manage the Facebook comments box on the listening page. In addition, there is a shortcut to the support section that includes video tutorials. Next is the middle right part. The first field is the channel select box, where you can easily switch between the channels. The appearing channel is the one you are currently managing. Note that with the free account, you can manage 3 channels simultaneously. For more channels, please order the appropriate upgrade add-on. Under this field, you can find the channel listening URL to be published for your listeners. For easy sharing, we added Facebook and Twitter share buttons. Third is the lower right corner. This part is used for managing the server, turning it on before broadcasting, seeing broadcasting server details such as server type, address, port, and password. This server information is the one you'll need during your broadcasting. Please check our video tutorials for various broadcasting softwares. Note that the server address is for broadcasting only. We do not allow using this address for listening. The only way of listening allowed is through the listening radio page, which is channel URL. Our system automatically recognizes if the listening is done against our terms of use, in which case the channel will be suspended, and subsequently both the channel and the stream will be removed. For advanced options, please click on the Advanced link, but note that it is recommended for the advanced users only. On the left side of the dashboard, you can find the modules and the content management options. The modules section consists of 2 parts. The channel content management modules add-ons appear in the lower part. Note that some of the add-ons and upgrades are already active, with 5,000 listeners limitation, maximum bitrate of 320 kbps, and so on. However, there are also non-active add-ons. You can add them if you wish to significantly upgrade your accounts. These add-ons can be purchased with the additional payment. They improve your server options, allowing you to add Auto DJ to help you uploading music to the server instead of streaming live. You can also check the statistics, turn the server into the constant on mode, and also improve your listeners' engagement. For example, sending push notification and managing the page ads. First of all, we'll explain how to use the free modules, which include Inbox. In this module, you can read all the messages that the listeners send you from the Contact Us form inside the listening page. Channel page. In this section, you can change the channel name, design, update the channel logo and banner, add social pages URLs, and even manage the song name appearance. Modify current service settings. Allows you to manage the current channel server, change server type, location, change server, restart or stop server, and even open the DNAS page of the server that is another server internal panel. Add additional service. This option allows you to add the additional channel. For example, you can manage 2 channels with different music types, or manage a channel of each school class. After clicking on it, fill in all the channel details the same way you did in the sign up. You can switch between the channels in the select box on the top of the right column. All service status. This page is important for radio admins who manage a number of channels at the same time. In this screen, it is possible for all the channels and their status. Blog/news. In this section, you can add news, articles, or use it as a channel blog. Simply add posts and the result on the listening page will look like this. Gallery. The gallery is used for showing images or photos related to your channel. For example, you can show here the DJ images or studio photos. The result on the listening page looks like this. Note that it can take a couple of minutes for the image to appear in the channel. YouTube and Soundcloud modules. These are great for the music channels wishing to share video clips from YouTube or some soundtrack from SoundCloud service. Just add the YouTube video URL or SoundCloud URL and an embedded player will appear inside the listening page. Polls. A very cool module to get feedback from your listeners. Note that the listening page shows the latest poll only, so if you create a new poll, it will replace the previous one. This is how it looks on the listening page. The premium add-ons include the option to manage the advertisements, send push notification, request an extra quick support, put the server in the constant on mode, and many other cool features. To learn how these add-ons can improve your server options and communication with your listeners, please check our second video about premium add-ons. A few words about your listeners' options to hear your station. 1. Your channel personal radio page URL. 2. Listening website page, which consists of 5 parts. First part, which includes channel name, description, channel icon, and channel banner. All these parts can be managed from the channel page. The time that appears on the right side can be adjusted by updating the GMT UTC to your local time zone. Second part, which includes the player, volume slider, and the song name. If possible to show the recent played songs, they will also appear. Third part, which includes the content, gallery, news/blog, poll. All these are managed from the dashboard as we have already explained above. Fourth part, which includes sharing Facebook and Twitter buttons and the mobile listening. Clicking on the mobile listening shows a QR code that the listener can scan, and it will open your channel on Listen2My Radio app. If the user doesn't have the Listen2My Radio app, he will have to install it from the store. Fifth part is for getting in touch. The listener has an option to send you a message that will appear in the inbox page inside the dashboard. The Facebook comments box appears under it. Here the listeners can chat with each other. To be able to manage the Facebook comments, you can add your Facebook ID inside My Account screen. This provides you with the option to hide/delete comments from the comments box. That's it. Have a nice streaming. Listen to my radio. Stop dreaming and start streaming.